minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan. May mga sariling gimik at kanya-kanyang hangad sa buhay. Sa ilalim ng isang bubong, mga sikretong ibinubulong. Kahit na anong mangyari, kahit na saan ka man patungo, ngunit ngayon
that is Thursday and we have a classes after that.
It's not a Thursday, Leanne. It's on Friday night.
Oh, I misheard you because I was running to my TikTok when you talk about it. I was asking her again.
Okay, I hope you'll be able to make it so we can finish our all communication routine. Okay.
minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan.
Who is the first sender in the given conversation? Inda is the first sender in the given conversation. What is the stimulus of the given communication? The stimulus of the given communication is in the invitation to May Ann overnight study decision to finish the oral communication and activities. Who encoded the stimulus? Inda encoded the stimulus by parsing her invitation to May Ann.
Who is the receiver of the first message of Mayan and Indai's conversation? Mayan is the receiver of the first message. She's the one who got Indai's initial question about the study session. So did Mayan give feedback? Yes, Mayan definitely gave feedback. She's responded to Indai's question about talking to her mom. What was the feedback given? Mayan's feedback was that her mom wouldn't allow her to go because she thought it was on Thursday and they had classes the next day. This was her immediate response to Indai's inquiry.
After Mayan gave feedback, what happened? After Mayan gave a feedback, Inday corrected the date saying the study session is not on Thursday but on Friday night. Was there a breakdown in Inday and Mayan's phone conversation? Yes, there was a breakdown in Inday and Mayan's conversation. What caused the miscommunication between the two over the phone when they talked earlier? The miscommunication was caused by Mayan mishearing Inday through the phone because she was scrolling through TikTok while they were talking. Was the given conversation successful? Why or why not? Yes, it was successful because the miscommunication was fixed and Inday gave Mayan the correct date so that Mayan can ask her mother again.
Transactional model of communication. Description. The transactional model views communication as a simultaneous process where both parties are senders and receivers. It reflects real-time interactions, where meaning is created mutually and contextually.
Linear model of communication, also known as transmission model. It is one way of communication process where sender transmits a message to a receiver through a channel. This model, developed by Shannon and Weaver in 1949.